Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, my house is trashed, and that's only from one day of not doing anything. I just took a break yesterday. I helped my sister out at her house with her new baby, and I left my house alone. Something happened, there was like a little critter running around, like a gremlin, and yeah, it just got trashed. So I have about an hour, a little more than an hour to get my house back to some good shape, because I have an eye appointment and my dad is going to watch Leo, so he's sleeping. I am going to do this as quickly as possible and try to get the right angles for the camera. So if you want to see me clean up during nap time with this quick power hour, just keep on watching, because this is going to be some good cleaning motivation. So as with any day, I start my cleaning routine. I just start a load of laundry to get myself caught up on everything, because there's so much laundry when you have a kid. So I'm using the Gain laundry detergent and the Gain fireworks for the scent booster. I absolutely love those things, and I get them couponing for very cheap. I just wanted to show you, this is the day we went to play in the mud. It was a couple days after that, and those were Leo's pants and socks. And I knew they were going to be dirty, but I didn't know they were going to be that dirty. They dried up and got so crusty, and oh, it was such a gross surprise. But that's why we have washing machines. I don't care if my kids play in the dirt. I had fun doing it when I was a kid, and I loved my parents for letting me do that. I'm sure you can tell my couches are a mess. And yeah, we do eat in here, and these crumbs are from when Leo dumped out a bag of caramel rice cakes and spread them around like he was swimming on the couch. So yeah, have kids. They're really fun. So my camera cut out and it didn't show me vacuuming up the couch, but I just vacuumed in between the cracks and stuff. And I'm going to take the next hour to clean up all of his mess, because he is a tornado. And I have a cleaning method that has worked with me for about, I don't know, 10 years. I started doing this when I had to clean up my messy room. I would do it in different layers. So the first layer or level would be pick up all the trash that's on the floor, and don't even mind the clothes or the toys or shoes. Pick up every piece of trash and throw it away. The next one will be all toys. Pick up all the toys, leave everything else there, and then you can pick up the clothes. And it really does work a lot faster because your mind isn't as scattered. And then another tip of cleaning I always do is just to work around the room in a circle. Clean each spot as if it were a station, so it'll be done quicker, and again, your mind won't be so unorganized, and you'll be able to visualize what you want cleaned. Finally, I was able to vacuum up all those crumbs, and it doesn't look that bad on camera, but boy, this took me forever because they were so sticky. They're caramel rice cakes. So I had to get out the wand and vacuum up the big pieces that wouldn't fit in the vacuum, because those chunks will just destroy my vacuum. And I wish I could vacuum at this speed in real life. That was my Dollar Tree basket of all the things for Easter. So I keep things in a basket instead of all over my house. It actually keeps my stuff pretty organized. And just like the laundry, the dishes never end. Am I right? So I don't care about getting everything spotless and cleaned up and disinfected and scrubbed down, because this is just cleaning what I could during his nap time to get caught up before he ruins the house again for his evening shift. So I just wanted to give a little bit of advice for any stay-at-home parents or parents of just crazy mess-making kids like mine. Don't try to tackle it all in one day or 1 hour. Just do as much as you can as long as you have energy for it. And if you're just feeling really unmotivated, watch a cleaning video. It doesn't have to be mine. Yes, I'm going to self-promote myself, but there are tons of cleaning videos on YouTube and they really get you motivated. I don't know what it is about just seeing someone else's dirty house that makes you feel a little bit better. So just try that out and just know once you get it all done, you can relax that night, just like I did tonight. I cleaned the house, we had leftovers, there wasn't a lot of dishes to do, and I took a bath that night and watched a movie, and it was so relaxing. When I met you in the summer, the summertime, the summertime, yeah, the summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer. So I'm going to use the Method All-Purpose Spray in the scent Lime and Sea Salt, and this is my favorite Method scent. The stove is smoking there because I just made some turkey bacon, but it was fine to spray. So I just use a regular kitchen rag and get off all the crumbs first, and then, yeah, I had to plug in my phone to charge so I could film. It's a little awkward angle right there, but I love the sea salt, the lime and sea salt spray. It smells so fresh and kind of has like a masculine scent, and I really like that. And it works really well on getting off the grime, and the smell lingers for a while. So the last step is I'm going to spray this Caldrea room spray in the scent Sea Salt and Neroli. This smells so good and fresh, just like spring. You can use this on your linens, your couches, the air, and it got me so relaxed to smell something good that I just wanted to be like those ladies in the Febreze commercials where they like are so dramatic about spraying everything. And that's how good I felt about having my house cleaned. So here's the after portion of the nap time cleanup. I was able to get it done in 1 hour, and I was so proud of myself, and I could just relax afterwards because I didn't have to worry about the crumbs on the floor, and I just had a couple dishes drying and soaking in the sink there, and just lighting a candle makes it also so relaxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have a little kiddo that needs to take a nap, or watch this over again and you can clean with me, I would love to have you subscribe because I'd love to have you be part of my family here on YouTube, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.